Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is the day we are finally going on a vacation. Since the pandemic, we never really got to go out much, especially on trips or vacations. And I'll be filming a travel vlog after a really long time. So I'm pretty excited about this trip. And the place we are visiting is Kudremukh, which is around 320 kilometers from Bangalore, and it should take us about 8 hours to get there. So let's get this trip started. Okay, it's 1 a.m. right now and we've covered 195 kilometers and we just stopped for a quick chai break. Now we are headed towards the Ghat, which is the most difficult part of this drive. Though it is just 100 kilometers for us to reach Kudremukh, it's gonna take us around 3 hours easily. So that's the update right now. Hey guys, good morning. So we reached here around 5 a.m. Slept for a while, got up, got ready, and now I'm going to take you around the resort so that you get a fair idea of how the property looks in case you want to book a room here. So let's go. So this is the entrance of the resort. You've got a huge space for parking at the entrance of the resort. So at the entrance of the resort there are 4 cottages, 2 over here and the other 2 here. This is the reception. These are the different tourist attractions that you could visit once you're here. And the reception area leads to the dining area. You can enjoy your meal with a beautiful view of the swimming pool and the greenery and the mountains. And beyond the swimming pool, you'll get the villas over here. So this is the entrance of the villa. This is how it looks. So each villa has 4 rooms, 2 rooms on each floor, 2 rooms on the first floor, and it has separate entrances. One entrance is over here, and for the room on the ground floor, the entrance is on the opposite side. Like this. And the view is absolutely beautiful. These are agricultural lands, and you can see people working over there. And over there is another villa, right opposite to this one. And even this villa has a similar pattern, 2 rooms on each floor, and they have separate entrances. The cost of these villas are 5,000 per night including 3 meals, and the cost of the cottages are 4,000 per night. So there's a huge garden space in front of these villas, so in case you come with your family or friends or colleagues, you can have a really good time here. And these are the cottages, but they are really old, so they are reconstructing some of them. As far as network is concerned, the only SIM that works here is Jio. So I would suggest you to download your maps before getting here. It's going to make your life easier when you want to get around places over here, because the Wi-Fi that they provide here is really slow, so you can't use it for a lot of stuff. And this is the cottage that we booked. It's quite spacious. We have a dressing table and a cupboard to keep your luggages and clothes. There is TV, and they will also recharge the cable for you once you check in. This is the bed, and this is the bathroom. Let me show you guys the view from our room. The staff over here was really friendly and helpful. So overall it's a very good resort to stay, and even the prices are very reasonable. And if you have any queries on this resort, please drop them in the comment section and I'll get back to you guys. And I'll also provide their website link, so you can go to their website and check out for more details. We'll be doing a lot of sightseeing and trekking in our stay in Kudremukh, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on those. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next vlog. You can pause and go through this brochure. There's all the details about this resort over here.